Hey, it's Chidori. I think I may have found like a minor new glitch. I don't know. But first you need to get on the tunnel top thing. It's just a way to do it. Okay. Just get up here. And then you don't want to get over here. Then jump right here. And this is really weird, but I did it at random. Look down and shoot, and you'll do like a thin fusion shot, fusion rifle shot. Not when you turn it, it's like a wave thing or something. It's really weird. It's like, I know it's like a really minor glitch, but still, I think it's worth posting. And it's kind of cool. And see, like when you shoot a regular shot scoping, it's like a circle. So yeah. So I guess the thin shooting fusion was found by Chidori. So I'll see you guys next time.